Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by installing Flightradar24 and granting location and notification permissions so the map updates in real time. Once done, open the app and center the map on your area by tapping the screen. This keeps nearby aircraft visible. Next, use the search bar to enter a flight number, airport code, or airline name to locate a specific target. Make sure to switch between map layers to match your needs. This first step gets you to live tracking quickly and accurately. You now dig into the tracking tools. Tap any aircraft to open a details card showing call sign, altitude, speed, route, and last timestamp so you understand what you're watching. Then use playback to review a flight's path, apply filters to show only airlines or aircraft types, and activate AR mode to overlay data on your camera view. Make sure to toggle map layers like satellite or terrain for better context. Pin favorites and set alerts to keep essential flights front and center. You finish by saving important flights to favorites and sharing live links when needed so others can follow along. Once saved, enable push alerts for gate changes, delays, or arrivals and sync key events with your calendar for the day. If you run into missing aircraft or stale data, try refreshing the map, verify app permissions and location services, toggle ADSB or MLAT options, or restart the app. These quick steps usually restore live feeds without further troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.